All right, so let's look at this question here. They're saying find the cross product, okay, of A and B, where the vector A is 2I plus 3j, and then the vector B is minus I plus 2j. Okay, so this is what we've been given. Okay, so how are we going to find the cross product of A and B there? Okay, so the cross product of A and B will just be A cross B, okay, is equals to we have I, J, and what? K. Okay, and then now let's write what we've been given in these vectors here. Okay, so the first one is 2, the second one is 3, and then we notice that we don't have a k here, so it means the k is what? 0. And then in the second one, the vector b, we have minus 1 there, okay, and then we have 2, and then we have what? 0 there. Okay, so this is what we want to find here. So how are we going to find our cross product? Remember the formula. Okay, we said we eliminate this first row, this first column and this row, so we are going to remain with 3 0 2 3, 2 0. Okay, so okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so I was saying this is what we have here. Okay, so what are we going to do in order to find the cross product here? We are going to say I. Okay, so when we cancel out this column here and this row here, what are we going to remain with? We are going to remain with 3 2 0 0. Okay, and then the next one, we said the j always goes with a minus. Okay, so we have this here, so it will be cancel this second column, cancel the first row, so we are remaining with 2 minus 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 and then 0 0. Okay, and then plus k, and then we cancel this third column and this first row here. So what are we remaining with? We're remaining with 2 minus 1 3 and 2. So that's what I'm going to write here. We're going to write 2 minus 1 and then what? 3 2 there. Okay, and then from here we can do the calculations. Okay, we can do the calculations. So we are going to be finding just the determinant of these 2 by 2 matrices. So we know that we just have to multiply here. Okay, you multiply main diagonal minus minor diagonal, right? Okay, so this is going to be equals to I, and then in the brackets to be 3 multiplied by 0, which will just be 0, minus 2 multiplied by 0, it will still be 0. Okay, and then we are going to say minus j. Okay, and then here 3 multiplied by 0, it will be 0, minus 1 multiplied by 0, it will still be 0. So this here will just be 0, and then plus k. Okay, and then let's find the determinant of this. So 2 multiplied by 2, we are going to get 4. Okay, and then we say minus, and then minus 1 multiplied by 3, we are going to get what? Minus 3. Okay, so this will just be 4 plus 3, which will just be what? 7. Okay, so the final answer here will just be the I is 0, the j is 0, we only have the k, so we are going to write the answer is that 7k there. Okay, so that's how we find the cross product of those two vectors there. So any questions there before we go to the next question? Any questions there, guy? Yes, what's your question? Why did we why did we include the what? Yeah, because the k is here. The k is here. So you multiply this k multiplied by this 7. So remember, when you are doing a cross product here, your answer should be a vector. Okay, so we can't just write 7 there. 7 would mean it's a magnitude. Okay, so we include the 7 to show that this is a vector here. All right, so I think that's it for this question here.